In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a blog post that converts using Conversion.ai Long Form Assistant template. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a long form blog post, something like this, which I've created using Conversion.ai. There are a few steps which you need to take care of while creating this kind of post, and I'll be walking you through all the steps in this video. So please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I don't want you to miss out on any of the steps. So let's jump straight into the Conversion.ai and let's start creating our blog post. So for this video purpose, I'm gonna take an example of creating a blog post for how to create a cheese sandwich. So first of all, what we need is a blog outline. So for that, we need to go into the blogs template, and then we open the blog post outline template, and we can just write how to make a cheese sandwich. We select the number of outputs, and then we click on generate AI content to give us the outline of the blog what we need. Let's just give it a few seconds and it's gonna generate these two outputs. So the first is 5 steps, second steps. All right, I think I like this one. Let's copy this. You can also copy it from here on the top. And now let's go back and let's open the long form assistant. And here I'm gonna write a blog post on how to make a cheese sandwich, and I'm gonna write include the following topics in the blog post. Okay, and I'm gonna say write a let's say 1,000 words blog post. You can just make it 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, whatever you want. And then we have to put in the keyword. So for here, our keyword is how to make a cheese sandwich. And then we click on continue. Here we need to generate the title. So I just let Jarvis Conversion.ai get the title for me. Okay, so we have got few titles. It hasn't saved that thing. Let me check again how to make a cheese sandwich, a step-by-step guide, how to make a cheese sandwich, a pursuit of cheese sandwich, a guide to creating an indulgent snack. I think I like this one. Let's use this. And then it's gonna we can put in the intro paragraph on, or I just let Jarvis do the work for me. I'm very lazy. I'm not gonna write anything. So we let Jarvis create the intro paragraph for us. So it says the making of a sandwich doesn't seem like okay, I think I like this one. And then we click on open it. So here is the intro paragraph, and here are the blog post lines which we created. And now we're gonna expand these headlines. So what we can do is we can just click on the power mode on the top, and we can go to sentence expander, and then we just copy this first one. And also let's do one thing. Let's highlight that and select it, which is the headline 2. And if you put these two hash signs, this will tell Jarvis that they have to start a new paragraph. Working for some reason, it's acting kind of slow right now. I'm ready to create my blog post. Okay, for some reason this is not working right now from here. So what I've done, I'll just close this out, or maybe I'll just leave it here, and then I'll just copy this, get a slice of bread and put it in counter, and then I go into sentence expander template, and just copy it and click on generate AI content. So it has generated to put a bread on the counter. Yeah, let's copy this. Let's go back and let's paste it over here. And then what we can do, we can just compose the thing. So for you, so we can select the length, output length, and we can just select it long, and then we click on compose. Right, blog post for me. And if we want to add something more, then what we can do, we can just copy some of the lines from here, just copy it and come back to the end of the sentence over here, just paste it and just do Control D, remove it. So that will again activate the compose button, and we just click on compose once again, and it's going to continue from there. Okay, let's say we are happy with this paragraph, then we move on to the next one, and we to put the cheese slices on top of the bread. Okay, we'll go back again into sentence expander and see what it's gonna give us. Put the cheese slices on the top, then put it in the oven. Okay, go back. Okay, and then again I have to use the long form compose of the blog post. So I just wait. Yep. Let's compose. Okay, there may be at times you won't find the output which you expected. So what you can do, you can just delete that one, and if you're happy, you can just move on to the next one. And there is one more thing which you can do. If you type these 3 stars, that means to you're giving instruction to Java to avoid anything above these stars, so it's not going to read that thing. So just do it. X2, and let's not expand this, and here let's do the compose thing. So we are not expanding it from here. Again, there are a few things which you can do. Either you can expand the statement, or you can just use the compose thing. And see on the top, it is already written like 750 words, and it's still going. 815. Okay, and you can just stir, and that is how you just keep on going towards the end. And at the end, you need to write the conclusion, which you can write again. There is a template for blog conclusion, so here in that, and this is the blog post conclusion paragraph. So here what you have to do, you just put in the main words, the main the line items, the titles which were generated. Just copy this, paste it here. Here. Yeah, I think you got the point what I meant to say. Just copy all of them and then click on generate AI content, and it's going to generate the conclusion paragraph. give it few seconds, and here we go. This one. Paragraph, and in few minutes we were able to write about 900 words. We haven't updated these particular statements. So I just wanted to tell you how you can write these kind of long form blog posts, and I wrote the similar blog post using the same method which I just shown you. So guys, this is very easy, and once the post is done, you can just copy it in your WordPress blog or whatever blog you're using, and you're good to go. So this way you can generate a lot of blog posts in very short amount of time. You do not have to invest on writers. You can create the blog post using yourself. Do not have to know about that particular subject. I didn't know anything about creating a cheese sandwich, but I still wrote a 900 words blog post. And this is the power of Conversion.ai. So I'll also give a link to the 5-day free trial for Conversion.ai in the description down below. Feel free to check it out, play around with it, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.